6:30 on Saturday morning. Got up early this morning to go film the demolition of Millard Fillmore Hospital, which is only about a mile from our house, but as you can see from the cop car, they've shut down all of the streets around our house. But they have a viewing area, which I'm walking to right now. So hopefully I can get a sweet time lapse of the sunrise and then take a peek at this demolition. Got a pretty decent setup for the demolition. Looks like it's just me and about 2,000 of my closest friends. Demolitions are a huge deal in Buffalo. They just let everyone move up like half a block, so I'm just gonna stay right here. This whole area right here was just full of people, and now they're all behind that cop car. Also, after I went to Starbucks, I had to run back to my apartment because I forgot my zoom lens. I just have my wide lens, and I brought my bike back instead. It's 46 degrees, my hands are freezing. That was awesome. A lot louder than I thought it was going to be. And now my car is probably covered in dust. Let's go drink coffee. Okay, Saturday, it's about 11 o'clock. Headed to Target right now because we found a new iPad case, but it was a little more expensive than if I had bought it on Amazon. But Target's new price match policy will price match Amazon.com's lowest price. So, taking my receipt back to Target to be refunded the difference. Wyatt's down for a nap. We're packing up, ready to head to my parents'. iPad case price match return. Check. Now I have to get us backup toothbrushes, then home, then pack the car, then go to my parents' house. Toothbrushes, check. It's starting to rain. Hurricane Joaquin is on its way. It's 11 o'clock right now, and all I want to do is eat a giant cheeseburger. I have no idea why. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. We're finally on our way home. We're finally on our way to my parents' house. We have to bring so much stuff for one weekend.
Jerry, there's a car chart, Jerry.
And this thing. Quick pit stop. Neither one of us eating lunch. It's 2 o'clock. Burger King drive-thru. I feel like I need to add that we never eat fast food, so this is a treat for us. We're gonna feel terrible in about 45 minutes. Okay, so it's 8:30 on Saturday evening. Wyatt just went to bed. I'm still editing yesterday's vlog, so I'm gonna finish that. Then I'm gonna write for about an hour. I'm gonna have a Frou Brews, and then hit the hay. Good Friday. Nope, it's Saturday. I'm tired.